Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about hand embroidery designs and ideas. New and attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Hand embroidery is a lovely art. It is simple, relaxing and creative. You can decorate your clothes, cushion bags and many other things with embroidery. Let's explore some easy and popular embroidery designs. First, we have the floral designs. Flowers are the most common and beautiful embroidery pattern. You can make roses, sunflowers or small simple flowers. They look perfect on dresses, dupattas and pillow covers. You can use bright colors to make your design more attractive. Next is the leaf and vine design. These designs are very simple and elegant. You can create small leaves and long vines using basic stitches. They are perfect for borders and corners of fabric. Now let's talk about basic stitches. If you are a beginner, you can start with easy stitches like running stitch, chain stitch and satin stitch. These stitches are simple and stylish and very useful for many designs. Another beautiful popular style is the mirror work embroidery. In this design, small mirrors are added to the fabric. It looks very traditional and beautiful, especially on authentic dresses. We also have the thread filling designs. In this style, you fill shapes with colorful threads. For example, you can fill flowers, leaves or patterns with different colors. It gives a rich and detailed look. Next is the border embroidery. Borders are used on sleeves, necklines and dupattas. Simple patterns like lines, flowers or geometric shapes look very nice as borders. Now let's talk about geometric designs. These designs use shapes like squares, triangles and lines. They look modern and stylish. You don't use them on table covers, cushion covers or even shirts. Another beautiful idea is name or letter embroidery. You can stitch names or handkerchiefs on baby clothes or gifts. It adds a personal touch and very special. Now let's talk about color. Always choose stylish light and dark color mixes. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again.